Citing the easing of restrictions in other sectors such as places of worship and the tourism industry, Matatus Owners Association Chairperson Kimutai alleges that the government is not involving them in decision-making, especially when it comes to enforcing the COVID-19 regulations.
When a person enters a social setup, a place where they're having beer, initially they'll keep the social distancing. But when the beer takes effect, and definitely you know you cannot be drinking while your mask is on. And the moment you get tipsy, you'll be hugging your friend. And this is social setup.
Kimutai bemoaned that the sector is only served with circulars without considering the economic impact to their business.
Apparently, it's a private business. And nobody cares whether we're making losses. It seems so. Because government has not invested in public transport. And somehow, they don't even know what we undergo. And yet, they rely on us to move Kenyans.
Kimutai further says it is high time the government lifted restrictions in the sector so as to save the industry from a total collapse.
The normal capacity or numbers of vehicles in certain circles is 30. But due to an inability to service the vehicles, some people have kept their vehicles home. This has brought down the number of vehicles in certain circles and companies. How would they comply when their members cannot be able to put their vehicles on the road?
NMS Director General Mohammed Badi has equally been called out by players in the sector over his directive aimed at kicking out PSVs in Nairobi CBD in a move aimed at decongesting the city.
It would be discriminatory to allow other buses to cut through the city and hinder others or stop others from going through. That is not acceptable.
The association says it has an answer to aid in the decongestion that ensures fairness to all industry players.
That's when you don't involve us, you don't understand the business, you will not succeed. But involve us, we give you ideas on how to decongest the city. And this would be the best thing that can happen. But unfortunately, we are a country where the bourgeois feel that they can crush those who are downtrodden. We tell them no, we are not going to accept it, and we will not accept it in any way.
Sherin Solite reporting for K24 Business.